So I figured out why it's running weird. Well, not completely, but it's definitely some kind of fuel starvation issue. Because when you keep a close eye on that filter when it's running and it starts to bog out, you pull the choke and you can see a bunch more fuel come flooding up in here. So that's strange. So what I'm going to do is let this fucker run out of gas and replace all the line from the tank up to the carb. This line is new, but fuck it, it's all getting replaced anyways. And then I'm going to temporarily run it without a filter and try and get it to do it again. And if it doesn't, I'm going to get a high-end filter, like a fucking good one of those metal fuckers, the inline filters. And then that should solve the problem. But for now that it's running good, something else had to go wrong. Remember how I was saying I wanted this to last one more year? Well, it lasted about 1/10 of a year. She done. When I turned the fucking... It ended up dying on me. Well, not dying. The engine bogged way out, and all of a sudden, it started fucking squealing the belt. And the deck is pretty much seized up. When the engine's on, and you turn the blades on, it kills the engine. Now, I'm not going to do it for safety reasons, but when you have the blades on, you can get her to crank. That's all I'm willing to do right now. And it'll fire up. But that deck shakes fucking horrendously. Makes a bunch of clattering noises. Spindle on this side, it just fucking blew up. So that's pretty much it for now. That new exhaust though sounds fucking amazing. It looks pretty jank, but my fuck boys, does she sure sound good. If you want to check that out, obviously you could hear it in some of the mowing clips back in the trail. But if you want to see how I built that, go check out that video. It's in the playlist. I have a playlist. Every video I've ever made of this tractor is in that playlist. So be sure to go check that out. And if you like this kind of content, maybe give the video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe. I'm really trying to hit that 1,000 mark so I can get closer to monetizing this channel. Once I can monetize the channel, I can put the money back into this shit. Stuff like that, and the bourbon. And that Murray mud mower back there. I got a Murray, old 1238, I think. I'm going to build a mud mower out of it. So, looking forward to doing that. So, if you want to see that type of shit, be sure to subscribe. Peace out, and thanks for watching.